Have you ever lost something so precious that your heart just stopped? Maybe it was a wedding ring or a family heirloom. In one of his most famous stories, Jesus tells us about a woman in that exact panic. She has 10 silver coins, but suddenly one is gone. In a world where every penny counted, this wasn't just about money. It was about something much deeper. To understand her struggle, you have to imagine her home. Ancient Palestinian houses were often dark, with only one tiny window. The floor was made of beaten earth, covered in dried reeds and rushes. Finding a tiny silver coin in that mess was like looking for a needle in a haystack. But she doesn't give up. She lights a lamp, grabs a broom, and starts sweeping every single corner. Why was she so desperate? History tells us these 10 coins were likely her dowry, worn as a beautiful headdress or necklace. It was the ancient version of a wedding ring. Losing one coin didn't just hurt her wallet. It ruined the beauty of her marriage pledge. She wasn't just looking for cash. She was looking to restore her honor. Then it happens. A tiny glint of silver catches the lamplight. She hears the faint clink against the floor. She finds it! She's so happy that she doesn't just keep it to herself. She calls her friends and neighbors together, saying, "Rejoice with me, I have found my lost coin." For centuries, great thinkers like St. Augustine and Gregory the Great saw a hidden layer in this story. They believed the woman represents divine wisdom, or Sophia. In this view, wisdom herself enters the darkness of our world to find us. The lamp she lights represents the humanity of Christ, carrying the light of divinity into the dusty corners of human life to bring us home. So what is the coin? Ancient teachers said the coin is you, the human soul. Just as a coin bears the image of a ruler, you bear the image of God. You might feel lost, dusty, or hidden in the dark, but to God, your value hasn't changed. You are still part of His treasure, and He is searching for you right now. Jesus ends the story with a powerful promise. There is more joy in heaven over one person who returns to God than anything else. The angels throw a party every time someone is found. It's a reminder that no matter how far you've wandered, you are worth the search, and you are worth the celebration. Subscribe as we continue to uncover the deep truths of the kingdom.